Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitin Sharma and today in this video we are going to discuss that how we can print the console text in colors, or we can say how we can change the background of the text that is getting displayed in the Node.js console. So guys, let's start. So the challenge of our video is, firstly we will use the chalk package in our project. So guys, just to use colorful messages in our console, we are using the chalk package, and then we will install it, and later on we will discuss that how you can load chalk in your app. Then you will see that how you can use it to print the success messages in green in console, and you can see that how you can print the error messages in red color. And later on we will discuss that how we can show the warning messages in yellow color in console. So guys, it's a very useful package, because suppose guys you have a lot of messages in your console, and if the error messages are displayed in red color, then you can directly see the what error has occurred instead of reading all the messages line by line. So it's very useful things guys you can use just to enhance your project performance. So guys, now let's start. That firstly we will discuss that how we can install the chalk in your project. So guys, as in my previous video I have already told you that we have a very good website, or we can say we have a website of the NPM, that is npmjs.com. So from here we can search any package details. So as I have already defined here that I am going to use chalk package in my project. So guys, now what I will do, I will just search the package. So I will just search the chalk here. Yes. Yes guys. So chalk, this is the details of this package guys. Actually, you can see here how much popular this package is. You can just check, almost 7 crores and 86 lakhs download per week it's getting. So you can understand that how much popular package this is. And in the previous video I have already shown you that this website shows you all the details about the package. You can check that it is showing us the command to install the package as well. Yes, it is showing us, so you don't need to worry anything about to use any package. And guys, it is showing us that how we can install it. Yes, you can see here, then it is showing us the usage also, how we can use it in our app. So as I already discussed in our previous videos, that this is the very most important website to use any Node.js, or we can say any NPM package. So guys, now let's move ahead. So firstly we will install the chalk package in our project. So guys, here's my code. Actually in my last video we have already discussed about the validator, so I'm using the same code here. If you have not watched my previous video, just I will request you to go to that particular video and watch it carefully, so you can understand the use of validator here. So now guys, firstly I will install the chalk. So just to install, what I have to do, I have to just open the command prompt, because I am using the Windows system, that's why I use command prompt usually. Yes. So guys, I will go to the project first of all, where I have just created my all the projects. Yes, actually guys, this project is open also in Visual Studio Code. You can see, look at it, what files are here. Okay, so now I will install the chalk package here. As the package side also showing us all the commands that what can be used. So I can use this command, but I remember it memorized, so I will use it. npm install chalk. I will press enter. It may take few seconds and it will be installed in your system. Yes guys, it has been installed successfully. You can see it is showing at 86 packages and audited 8 packages in 14 seconds. So guys, you can see the chalk package has installed in our system. So first challenge is completed successfully guys. Now move to the next challenge, that is load chalk in your app. Yes. So guys, as you can see In validator we were also doing the same thing, that we were just required the package which I want to use it. So here I will do the same thing, guys. I will just use Chak, so I will require it first before the using it. Yes, I have just required it. So guys, with this line I have load my Chak package in my app. So this challenge also completed. So now we have to move to the next one, that is use it to print the success message in a green color of the console. So guys, you can see I will run to this program first of all by node space file name. Yes, I will press enter. You can see it is showing us just a false. It's a result of my last video, guys. So suppose, guys, I will make a comment of it, but I will use this method in a conditional statement. If I will just copy the same thing here. Yes, I'm just using if validator dot is mobile phone is mobile number is equal to true, then I will just console the success message valid mobile number. Yes, I'll just display a normal message valid mobile number, else otherwise I will display, I will just copy the stacks that not a valid mobile number. I've just done the simple thing. I've just consoled the exact message instead of boolean values. I will rerun my program once again. Yes, it is showing us not a valid mobile number because it was written as a false. Yes, you can see because I've just added a string in the end. So I will remove it and then I will rerun once again. It will show me a valid mobile number. Yes, you can see. But guys, you can see it may confuse you because this is in the same text, in a white text with a black background, which is the default text formatting of my command prompt. Okay, so you can confuse that which is the error and which is the success. Suppose, guys, if you have a big project, if you are dealing with a big project and you have a lot of messages here in console, so you can't directly find any denser error that need to be resolved immediately. So that thing we can achieve with the help of this Chak. This is a very simple module but can work a very tough. So now what I will do, I will just use, so guys, you can see in this package as well, you can see in the site that it is showing us hints as well. You can see it is just showing us that how we can use it. Suppose, guys, we want to use the blue color of the text, then we have to use just Chak.blue. Or we want to use a red color, then we have to just use Chak.red and so on. So I will use it here. So what I will do, I will just, it's a valid mobile number. It means it's a success message, guys. So what I will do, I will just put Chak.valid mobile number is there. So I will put a green, then I will put it, because it's a function, guys, so that's why I have to put it in a bracket. So Chak.green. But if it's not a valid mobile number, then it means it's an error. Then what I have to do, I have to just write Chak.red. Then I have to close it. Now, guys, I will run my program once again. Yes, you can see, guys, it is showing me valid mobile number. So it is showing me in green color. So here I can see that it is just highlighting actually, guys. So it's very easy to find whatever the success or whatever the failure is there. Suppose, like, I will do the same thing. I will create one case for the failure as well, and I will rerun my program once again. It is showing me not a valid mobile number. So guys, you can see it is showing in the red color. So it's a very just a small things. But if you are seeing a one screen of a big project and there are a lot of messages here, it is just a single file with a 5 to 10 lines of code, so you can find it easily. But when we talk about the large project, so guys, it's very tough to find any error, whatever the highlighted high priority error is. So you can just find it a very good way. So actually guys, this provides us a lot of packages. This provide us, or we can say lot of methods. This Chalk provides us lot of methods guys. So you can see blue, busy red, bold, whatever we want, and we can concatenate it. We can use a multiple style as well. Suppose guys, I want to use in green color. Suppose I want to change the busy, not a text color. By default it is changing the text color, but I want to change background color. Yes, you can see you can change the simply by writing busy green, and here I will write the busy red. Yes, it is a very simple thing guys. Once again I will rerun my program. It will change the background color. Yes, it's how much easy guys it is, and it's a very highlighting thing that it's not a valid mobile number. I can find the complete screen, the what the error is here. Yes, you can find it out easily. And now I will create a success case as well here, and I will rerun my program once again. Yes, it's a valid mobile number. It is showing us me with a green background color. Yes, you can see, and I want to use it as bold, so I can just concate dot bold here. In both the things I can just concate the bold. Yes, it is showing me in the bold color. So guys, it's very simple thing, and it's a very useful thing when we talk about the uses of this one. So it is showing us all the things. If you want to use underline as well, so guys, as I already told you, this is a very important website just to use any NPM package. It is showing me all the methods which can be done by the Chalk method, Chalk package. Yes, you can see Chalk bold.red, Chalk.keyword. It's a lot of methods guys. In here you can see underline, inverse, it's like whatever style you want to use it. Actually guys, you can say it provides us the CSS things for the console. Yes, it's a very easy thing. Suppose guys, I want to inverse all the things. By default it is showing me this one, and I want to use inverse. Yes, I have to just add the inverse. I can use how many properties I want to use, I can use it. Yes, I will rerun my program once again. Yes, you can see guys. So what inverse has done? Actually, what it was doing, it was just doing the green background or the white text. But what inverse does, it just inverts the things. Just like it has changed the color of background with the text color and changed the background color with the text color. Yes, you can see easily. It is just inverse the property. Actually, you can say it's a reversal of the output style whatever it was showing earlier guys. So you can understand that how much easier it is and how much it can be useful when we are dealing with a big project. And if you want to show suppose in some cases there is any high priority error. Suppose guys, user want to access our non-public pages and we want to show that error as a high priority error, so we can show with the busy red, so it may be highlighted and we can track it very soon. So it's a guys very good practice to use the Chalk in a project and just to find the message very earlier. So I hope guys you have understand this one as well. So we have discussed that how we can print the success message in a green color. Then we have discussed that how we can print the error message in the red color in console. So next thing we have just remaining that how we can use the warning message in yellow color. Yes, it is also guys same thing. It is also a same thing guys. What I have to do, I have to just write console.log. Suppose I am just creating a default warning message. Warning. I am a warning. I'm a warning message. Yes, I've just displayed it. So by default what it will do, it will just display in the same console color what is the set for my, yes, you can see it is showing me same color warning. I am a warning message, but I want to use it with a yellow background. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to just use Chalk.bg yellow, and then I have to just use the bracket because it's a method. It's just a method. Yes, I will save it and I will rerun my program once again. So guys, you can see it is showing me in yellow background color. And if I want to change the text color because a word is not getting displayed a very visibility, so I will change the text color as well. So what I have to do, I have to just write dot then black. Yes, I will rerun my program once again. You can see it is just changed the text color as well. It is very simple to use. You can concatenate either here or there. And suppose guys, I want to bold it all the things as well. So in previously you can see I am just concatenating the dot bold here, but if suppose I want to concatenate dot bold here, so I can concatenate here also. It will also do the bold. It will do the same thing that is done above, guys. You can see it has just bold the text here. Okay, so it's a very simple thing, guys. And you can see when I will scroll to my console, so you can see that it is showing me which is the warning, as we all know that by the default warning shows in a yellow color and a success message always gets in our green color, and always we show the errors in red color. So we can find out easily whenever we are going to scroll how much fast we are doing it. So it's very useful things, guys. You can easily handle your big projects problems very easily. I hope you have understand and we have completed the challenge of this particular video, guys. But you have any confusion about it, so you can directly put it in a comment box and I will get back to you soon as possible I can. And once again, guys, I will tell you, don't forget the URL of the site, that is npmjs.com, because you can check all the details, all the ins and outs of any packages. You just need to remember the name of particular package, which for what purpose what packages can be used. Okay, so guys, I hope you have understand the things. So we will meet soon in the next video with a new learning. Take care.